Alright, so we're using angle side to solve these two problems here. And the first one was pretty straightforward if we remember that angle ABC and angle DEF are corresponding angles. Right, we have two parallel lines cut by this transversal. So we can say that those are congruent. And we're also given that AB is congruent with DE. And also that angle C is congruent with angle F, so we can immediately go to angle side to prove the two triangles congruent. This one here, we're given that the two angles S and U are congruent. We're given that STR is congruent with RTU because TR is the bisector of STU. And then we could say that RT is congruent to RT. And then from there, we can say that the two triangles are congruent via angle side. But we're not asked to prove that the triangles are congruent. We're asked to prove that angle SRT is congruent with angle URT. So these angles are congruent. And we can say that because once we say the triangles are congruent, then we could say that corresponding parts are congruent. And why? It's because it's the definition of congruent triangles. And in the previous video, I said that it's a CPCTC would be the reason, but I was wrong. Yeah, once we show that two triangles are congruent, we can say that the corresponding parts are congruent because that's the definition of congruent triangles, that their corresponding parts are congruent. Right, so corresponding angles and corresponding sides. Right, so that's that.